On the control panel, click Settings. Then open the Distortion interface. Enable Galvo Distortion Enable. Click Test. The Galvo will cut across shape pattern. Place a ruler along the horizontal line to check if it is perfectly level. Adjust the X kilo shape parameter baseline value 1 used to correct the concavity, convexity of the left and right edges. Based on the video demonstration, set X kilo shape 0.90. Move the X axis backwards.
But I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're with my time, you're delirious, mysterious.
Place a ruler along the horizontal line to check if it is perfectly level. Adjust the Y kilo shape parameter baseline value 1 used to correct the concavity, convexity of the top and bottom edges. Value greater than 1, horizontal lines curve inward. Value greater than 1, horizontal lines curve inward. Based on the video demonstration, set 1 kilo shape to 126. Move the y-axis by 100. Click Test and verify the above result. Along the horizontal line check. Return to the Galvo Distortion menu and click Save.